Welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate destination for product comparisons. In today's video, we'll be comparing two popular drones in the market, the DyineeFy Mini Drone and the SOTAONE S400 Drone. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pilot, we've got you covered. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. So let's dive right in and see which drone takes the crown. The DyineeFy Mini Drone comes in at just $49, making it an affordable option for those on a budget. On the other hand, the SOTAONE S400 Drone is priced at $89, offering some additional features for a higher cost. The DyineeFy Mini Drone offers a vibrant array of LED lights, making it a visually appealing choice for kids. It also comes with headless mode, altitude hold, and even 360-degree flips for those daring maneuvers. With a flight time of up to 8 to 15 minutes and a one-key takeoff landing feature, it's perfect for beginners. On the other hand, the SOTAONE S400 Drone boasts a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera, allowing you to capture stunning aerial shots. It also offers exciting features like 3D flips, high-speed rotation, and circle flight, providing endless fun for both kids and adults. With full protective guards and a foldable design, it's designed to be safe and durable. When it comes to ease of use, the DyineeFy Mini Drone shines with its simple controls and one-key return feature. It's perfect for kids and beginners who want a hassle-free flying experience. On the other hand, the SOTAONE S400 Drone offers default altitude hold, headless mode, and one-key start-land button, making it incredibly easy to handle. The DyineeFy Mini Drone is built with high-quality ABS materials, ensuring it can withstand collisions and falls. It also features propeller guards for added safety, making it an ideal choice for children. The SOTAONE S400 Drone also comes with protective guards, ensuring both the drone and users stay safe during flights. Here's what customers are saying about the drones. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the DyineeFy Mini Drone and the SOTAONE S400 Drone. While the DyineeFy Mini Drone offers affordability and simplicity, the SOTAONE S400 Drone provides a higher resolution camera and additional exciting features. Remember, the choice ultimately depends on your preferences and needs. Make sure to consider factors such as price, features, ease of use, and durability before making your decision. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below to learn more about these drones. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. And as always, stay smart with your purchases. See you next time on Buy Smart.